Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is, what's today? Today is Monday and it is September 16th and it's currently 1 o'clock in the afternoon and I am just heading out to run some errands. I have to go to Big W and then I have to go to Woolworths and then Aldi. So yeah, that's pretty much what I have to do. I do this pretty much, I do this every Monday. Because on Fridays I do my food shopping and then on Mondays I get all like the fresh stuff for the kids. So yeah. Anyways, so let's go. And the sun's out. That is so weird because earlier it was pretty cloudy. Well, I won't need my jacket anymore. Okay, that can go in the back. Okay. Alright guys, let's go. See you at Big W. Bye. Hi guys. Alright, sorry I didn't vlog that much. So, I'm all done. It's now 2:09. That's good, only an hour. That's really, really good. Alright, so I'm gonna go home. Yeah, I didn't really vlog that much I didn't vlog at all in Big W or Woolies or Aldi. But at Big W I got a Australis nudes eyeshadow palette. It was on sale, so yeah. It's really cool. I can't wait to try this out. So yeah, so I'm gonna go home and I am just gonna chill today, guys. I'm just gonna chill and relax. Anyway, I will talk to you guys either later on this afternoon or tomorrow. Bye guys. Good morning guys. Today is Wednesday and I've just made myself some breakfast. I've made myself some French toast and it's got barbecue sauce on it. I'm so looking forward to eating this. I've been craving French toast and I'm gonna sit and I'm gonna watch some Bones. I'm currently on, I think I'm on season 5. And then later I'm gonna go to Aldi because I've got to pick up some stuff for my sister. So yeah. So I think today's gonna be another chill day. Yesterday I didn't vlog at all. Yeah, I didn't really do anything because it was raining and I just pretty much stayed inside and watched all of season 4 of Bones. That's what I did yesterday. And it was brilliant. I loved it. So I'm gonna get to eating and I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Finished up at Aldi and now I'm gonna go home. Okay. See you guys at home. Oh my god, look at the sky today, guys. It is so cloudy and overcast. I think it might rain today. Guys, my nan bought us KFC for lunch. So I've got potato and gravy, coleslaw, 2 pieces of chicken and chips. How nice is this? I love KFC. I do. And I'm gonna finish watching Bones. Oh, nearly dropped yours. That would not have been good. Talk to you guys later. Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Today is Thursday and I am just about ready to head off to Dubbo because me and my sister have to take my nan to Dubbo because she has a doctor's appointment today. So yeah, and also I thought I'd show you guys my outfit. So this is my outfit. Just wearing leggings and overalls and a really nice shirt and a jacket today. Yeah, very casual. And there's Bella. So yeah, very casual today, and my makeup is this like peachy pink smoky eye that I really like. I use my Morphe Jeffree Star palette. Do you want to go out? Okay. There you go. You want to go? No? Okay. She doesn't want to go out. Alright. Well, I'll see you guys on the road. Bye. Hi guys. Today's Friday. I just wanted to say I'm sorry for not vlogging yesterday. I totally flopped at it. Like, oh my god, I do apologize. So as I said yesterday, we went to Dubbo and we dropped my nan off at her doctor's appointment, and me and my sister went to the shops, looked around, and just, yeah, had lunch, and that's pretty much all we did. And then we drove home, and it's so funny. When we got home, I broke this nail. I'm not giving you guys a finger. I broke this nail as we were, as I was getting my keys out of my bag, and I broke my nail, and I had to go get it fixed, which was fun. So I did that. So new nail, all fixed, and yeah. So it's currently 12:19, and today is September 20th. Today's Friday, and yeah, I'm just chilling, watching Bones. I'm currently on season 7 at the moment, and then I'm gonna go do the grocery shopping hopefully soon. So today's just gonna be a bit of a chill day. Just doing laundry as you do, and yeah, it's a lovely sunny day today, guys. Like, oh my god, it is such a lovely day. Let me just show you guys, hold on. Show you guys. Oh, I'm gonna keep this open actually. Yeah, it's really nice. I'm in the backyard. But yeah, look at it. Such a nice day. So nice. It really is. Anywho's, so yeah. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit for today. It's pretty chilled. So nothing too fancy, just got on a skirt and a t-shirt. So I'm just wearing I call these band skirts. I'm wearing a skirt from, I think this is from Kmart, and my top that says Wednesday on it, because you know, on Wednesdays we wear pink, even though today's Friday, but still. I love this shirt. It's so cute. I think this shirt's from Big W, I'm not too sure, but yeah, this is my outfit for today. It's just very chilled. I'll turn that light off. There we go, much better. So yeah, today's just going to be a pretty chill day. Yeah, so I'm going to go back to watching some more Bones, and yeah, just chill. Oh, I didn't show you guys, I got my Bella box yesterday. If you follow me on Instagram, you have already seen it. But yeah, this is what I got in my Bella box. It's a monthly subscription. I got this MCO Beauty Shimmer Brick in bronze. And I got this hair mask from Garnier. I've actually got one of these in my shower. They're really, really good. I got a Wet n Wild lipstick, which I've never tried any Wet n Wild products, so I'm very excited. This is called What's Up Doc. And then I got a John Frieda hair serum and cream, little sachets. And then I got a sheet mask, which I might try tonight, maybe. It's a herbal tea pure calming mask. Ooh, I might try that tonight. So yeah, that's what I got in this month's Bella box for September. So yeah, I get these once a month. It's really, really good. I love this subscription service. Yeah, I absolutely love it. Fun fact, my sister got this for me as a birthday present one year, and I loved it so much, and I signed up. It's $20 a month, And you get all cool products every month to try on. It's really fun, and I love it. I'm totally not sponsored, by the way. Anyways, so I'm going to get back to watching my show, and I'm just going to chill for the rest of the day until I have to go do the food shopping, because I need to do that, but I've got to wait for my dad to get home, because he wants to come with me. Anyway, I will talk to you guys later. Bye! Hey guys, so I'm on my way to get my nail fixed again. Yep. Broke it when I was grating cheese, so then it took me forever to get a parking spot, let me tell you. Oh, it's crazy. So I'm gonna go to a nail hub and get my nails fixed. Such a lovely day. Really, guys, just finished at the nail salon. Got my nail done. Got my keys. That's all done. All fixed. So yeah, I'm just walking back to my car, and then I'm gonna go home and do the shopping list, and then go do that. And then later this afternoon I would babysit my nephew. Just for a bit. So yeah. Oh boy. Right there. There we go. It's all done. I'm so happy. It's all fixed. I was not expecting that to happen. I was not expecting to have to go back and get my nails fixed again. Anyway, I'm gonna go home, work on this shopping list, see what we need to get, and then I'm gonna go do that. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye! Hey guys, okay, so I'm just about to go take my shower out. I thought I'd show you guys the romper that I bought. So this is it. Sorry if the line looks a little crap, but yeah, this is my romper. I got it from JJ's. It was on, yeah, JJ's. It was on sale. Got a good deal. So yeah, I really like it. It's really cute. I think I'm gonna wear this tomorrow. And it comes with pockets. How cool is that? Yeah, I really like it. It's very comfy. It's not too tight, especially around my stomach, because some rompers can be pretty tight, especially on my stomach, and I don't like that. But other than that, this is really good. Like, I like the back. It's really nice. So yeah, this is a really cute romper. I think, yeah, I really like it. It's cute. It's very spring. Anyway, I'm gonna go take my shower, and I will talk to you guys later. So today is Sunday, and I'm just about to head out to do the grocery shopping with my mum, and I thought I'd show you guys my outfit. It's very simple. I'm wearing my pink shoes. These are from Kmart. My jeans are from Jeans West. They are so comfy. Oh my god, they are so good. My shirt is from Big W, I think, and this is from a stall at some like balloon festival thing I went to, and I absolutely love this jacket. It's my favorite. I love it so much. So that's my outfit, and my makeup is pretty simple today. Oh, actually, I might blend out my blush a little bit more, but yeah. So I just went with like a simple cat eye, pink lip, very simple. So yeah, and I'm loving how I did my brows today. Another good brow day. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Bye. Not sure if you can see me, but I'm just putting in the groceries in the car. Alright. Start with big thing of Cokes. 0. Alright, the bread. Remove the bread so it doesn't get squished. Take the bag. Oh, oh. Sorry guys. And move the trolley. Sorry guys. Sorry. already, guys. And I'm hot. I'm gonna take my jacket off. I'm really hot. Oh, I think it was a mistake wearing jeans too. Cause it was raining last night, and it rained a little bit this morning. So I was like, okay, I'll just wear jeans. And, you know, and I even had a jumper on earlier. Oh my god. And yeah, I was so hot. Oh, I have my mum's sunnies in here. Anyway, alright. Oh, and when I get home, I need to change my handbag, you guys. Yep, it's time to put this baby away. And I'll probably I might use my purple crossbody bag, maybe. I'm not sure. I'll have to go through my bag collection. I've got a, I know a bag I'll use. My, either my nude bag I got in Adelaide, or I have a blue one that I got. What will it be, nude or a blue bag? I might do the nude one. I haven't used that bag in about a year. I bought this, I think I showed you guys in my Adelaide vlog. I bought a nude handbag from Colette Handyman when I was in Adelaide with my aunt. Oh, I might use that bag. Actually, I might use that bag because it will go with everything. So yeah, I might use that bag. Anyway, I better go. I gotta go meet my parents at Aldi. See you guys then. Bye.